Greetings, salutations, hello and welcome. Welcome back to Kstor Unboxes. I guess that's the name we're gonna stick with, huh? So, I was not expecting to have another one so soon. I didn't have anything pre-order or anything like that, but my wife, and yes, Kstor is married, I'm taken. My wife really loves her Fitbit. We are big fans of it in our place, and the one thing that she doesn't like is the look of it. And so she got a new model that is made for people who don't like the regular look. This is a model that is quote-unquote fashion forward. And so we're gonna do is, let's unbox this thing and take a look at how it looks. This has been released very recently, and she actually pre-ordered it quite a while back. We received this a little bit ahead of time, but the thing has been released already, so it will be available as soon as you see this video. So here it is. This is the Fitbit Luxe model, and it's a special series called Gorjana. It's different because it comes with two straps, the regular rubber one and also this one. This is the fashion design one, so it's made to look like a piece of jewelry. You can swap them, so if you're going to the gym you can use the regular one, which is still a bit more pretty than the regular strap. But if you're going to an event or out for dinner or something, you can wear this one and it's gonna look way more fancy, huh? And it's really pretty. It's pretty small and very, very light, as you would expect for a fitness watch. How do we open this thing? You can pull it, so there we go. This is empty. Very pretty. And there is a very neat Fitbit logo that only works against light, so it's a plastic material. Very, very neat and very small again. How do we open this with a glove? Okay, it wasn't that bad, huh? And straight to it. They have some neat instructions for first timers. We have the device here. It's currently equipped with the rubber wrist strap. I believe it's neoprene. Let's see if we can... Oh, this is very fancy. Okay. They had some indications that we should pull this first. So, there we go. Power and style. Yes, indeed, it's very stylish. It looks way better than the regular one. And again, I was trying to pick the thing, but they gave me the instructions. I should look at the thing. Alright, so this comes out. We have a little manual here. More instructions. It says, welcome to the Fitbit family. Thank you very much. We're already part of it. We have some manuals, the quick start, the regular manual, instructions for setup. This is all looking great. But yes, down to the main thing, which is still not the device, because there are a couple of markers here. So for example, we have this thing containing the charging cable. It's very neat. It has a magnetic connector, so you just lightly put it close to the base and it will stick and charge. Very neat. It looks way better than the HR2 model, the one that we usually have on our place. It's pretty long. It's actually way longer than the regular one. The regular one comes like at this length, and this one is 3 or 4 times the length of the other one, which is pretty good. But the other interesting thing is on this side. This was the power and this is the style side. What's in the style side? It's the jewelry side of things. So this is the soft gold strap. You can use it as a piece of jewelry. This is the Gorjana side of things. They give us a second silicone strap for a different size, for like different thickness of wrists. So this one you can replace to have if you have like a thick wrist, you'll need a longer strap on the side. So we can replace it for this one and it's gonna fit on you. Very cool, very neat. But the main thing is this one. This is their soft gold strap. It's a very, very beautiful chain. They have a very, very discreet logo for Fitbit and the Gorjana design brand here. It's very subtle. I'm not even sure if we're gonna be able to catch it on camera, but it's right here. Looks great. Alright, so this is how it looks. Very shiny, very fancy. And this one is not a piece of rubber with holes, so you can actually remove some of these links to adjust the size to the length that you need. So if you take a closer look, these links actually have little openings. You can open them and remove a piece of the chain. So in here, at any point in this entire chain, you can click the link open like this and just remove the piece like this. So now we have a shorter one if you have a very, very thin wrist like my wife. But yes, so now down to the main thing. This time for sure, this is the main Fitbit unit, Deluxe Edition. So goodbye box. This looks really good. The main unit has a stainless steel body, which is a big upgrade compared to the regular units in the Fitbit brand. They're usually just plastic. It's not cheap plastic, but it doesn't look or feel premium. This one has a pretty fancy look and feel. So it has this metallic body, it's stainless, it looks great, it's very, very shiny. It comes on the regular silicone strap. Very neat. So yes, you can at any point just remove these and install the regular chains. And we're gonna make a quick cut here and see how that looks. So for comparison, this is the regular charger that comes with the Fitbit Inspire2. It's pretty short. And this is the one that comes with the Luxe. So if you see here, it's about 3 to 4 times the length, as I mentioned. The connectors are not compatible. The distance between the charging points is different, so you can't share the charger with other models, which is a shame. Also, for the sake of comparison, this is my Inspire2 and this is the new Luxe. They're on a very similar size for the main body. You can see here, it's pretty basic. The Inspire2 has this side button to light it up. It also detects movement to light the display, and the display is monotone. It's only white in black. While this one doesn't have a button, and of course it lights up with movement, but let me just hire my little finger. That way this simulates finger touches for touchscreen. So with a double tap, you can light it up, and as you can see, it's colored. There are colors in here. This is one of the big differences between this and the regular Inspire2 model. This is great, it looks really good. Aside from colors, the resolution is way higher, it's about 4 times the resolution. It does hurt a little bit of the battery, because the regular Inspire models have almost 10 days worth of batteries, while this one only lasts for about 5 to 6 days. Among other things that make this unit very neat, that makes this a premium and a clear upgrade in relation to the Inspire models, is that it does have a oxygen saturation monitor. It knows how much oxygen there is in your blood. It's pretty crazy. It can also take your temperature at all times, so you have control over fevers or just overall temperatures. It has stress management tools. It can keep track of your tension, your breathing. It's pretty crazy. It offers a 6-month premium subscription, so we're gonna test this for sure. Aside from that, it also has everything that the regular Fitbit models have. So it can count your steps, It can measure your heart rate. There are features that keep track of how well you sleep. You get sleep scores and tips for sleeping better. There's even stuff like logging what you eat. Everything that's related to overall lifestyle in terms of health is covered. It's a neat little device, but it's also a great accessory for, well, enjoying a better lifestyle and being healthy in general. So the regular Fitbits only track your step count, and this one is better integrated with your phone, and it can also keep track of the actual distance in kilometers or miles. But yeah, this looks really good. As you can see, we already detached some of the links for my wife's wrist. So what I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna cut the video and we'll be back for a quick round of modeling. So you guys can take a look at this in action and in movement under light. Really pretty. So I'll see you on the next one.